Your windows and doors play a crucial role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall aesthetic appeal. Over time, wear and tear can take a toll, making replacements necessary. If you live in Bel Air, upgrading your windows and doors can significantly enhance your home's comfort, curb appeal, and resale value. But how do you know when it's time to make a change? Here are the top signs that indicate it's time to upgrade your windows and doors in Bel Air. Rising energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows and doors need an upgrade is an increase in your energy bills. Old or inefficient windows and doors allow drafts and heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. How to tell? Feeling drafts near windows and doors. Higher heating and cooling costs despite normal usage. Condensation forming between window panes. Energy-efficient replacements, such as double-pane or low-E glass windows, can reduce energy consumption and lower monthly utility bills. Difficulty opening and closing. If your windows and doors are becoming difficult to open or close, it could be a sign of warping, swelling, or damage to the frames. In Bel Air's fluctuating climate, humidity and temperature changes can cause materials like wood to expand and contract over time, leading to functional issues. How to tell? Windows stick when opening or won't stay open. Doors require extra effort to shut properly. You notice gaps or misalignment in frames. Properly installed, high-quality replacements will ensure smooth operation and a tight seal for improved energy efficiency. Visible damage and decay. If your windows and doors have cracks, warping, rot, or peeling paint, it's time to replace them. Physical damage not only affects the look of your home but can also lead to structural issues and decreased insulation. How to tell? Warped or cracked window frames. Peeling or bubbling paint on doors and window sills. Soft, rotting wood that indicates water damage. Modern materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, and aluminum offer increased durability and resistance to the elements. Outside noise is louder than usual. Your windows and doors should act as barriers to outside noise. If you're hearing too much street noise inside your home, your current windows and doors may not be providing adequate sound insulation. How to tell? Increased street noise inside your home. Single-pane windows that don't offer soundproofing. Old or thin doors that allow sound to pass through easily. Upgrading to double-pane or triple-pane windows with noise-reducing features can significantly improve indoor quiet and comfort. Drafts and air leaks. Feeling drafts near your windows and doors is a clear indication of air leakage, which can compromise your home's energy efficiency. Over time, gaps and poor seals can lead to higher energy costs and decreased indoor comfort. How to tell? Feeling cold air coming through closed windows and doors. Noticing uneven temperatures throughout your home. using weather stripping or caulk as a temporary fix. New, tightly sealed replacements will prevent air leaks and maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. Condensation between glass panes. Foggy or cloudy windows indicate a broken seal, allowing moisture to get trapped between the panes. This reduces the insulation value of the window and leads to further deterioration. How to tell? Cloudy or foggy appearance between panes. Moisture or condensation forming regularly. Difficulty seeing through the glass. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models will eliminate condensation issues and restore visibility. Outdated appearance. Windows and doors contribute significantly to your home's curb appeal. If they look outdated or don't match your home's style, an upgrade can enhance both aesthetics and property value. How to tell? Your home looks outdated compared to others in the neighborhood. Faded or chipped door finishes. Styles that don't match your home's design. Modern replacements come in various styles, colors, and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Security concerns. Old or weak windows and doors can be a security risk. If your locks are faulty or frames are damaged, it's easier for intruders to gain entry. How to tell? Broken or weak locks. Cracked glass that could be easily shattered. Doors that don't close securely. Newer models come with reinforced locks, impact-resistant glass, and stronger frames for added security. Upgrade your home today. If you recognize any of these signs, now is the time to consider upgrading your windows and doors in Bel Air. Replacing outdated and inefficient units not only enhances energy efficiency and comfort but also improves home security and aesthetic appeal. Consult with a local window and door specialist to explore your options and find the best fit for your home's needs. Investing in high-quality replacements will provide long-term benefits, making your home more comfortable, secure, and visually appealing for years to come.